We are a few months out from WSP Trooper Sarah Clasen's suspected DUI vehicular homicide trial, which, according to court documents, is currently set for February. Now, we investigate the bar police say she was at right before the crash. Video of Richland police executing a search warrant at Moon Palace back in March of this year that was anything but ordinary. Police suspected possible destruction of evidence and possible interference of their investigation. But that is not all. Our Wendy Redmond joins us now as Apple Valley News Now investigates to protect and serve.
Through extensive open records requests, we got our hands on video showing police speaking with the Moon Palace employee who says she served Clasen drinks that day. Plus, you'll also hear from a woman who says she's Clasen's best friend and was drinking with her before the deadly crash.
I feel like there are so many places that you could hide the stuff that we are looking for.
New body cam video as police executed a search warrant at Moon Palace in Richland. This just days after officials say off-duty trooper Sarah Clasen was driving under the influence and crashed into a motorcycle, claiming rider Joseph Sanchez's life. Richland police noted this was not how their searches normally go, as they felt the bar manager, Brad Wu, was not cooperating.
We were hoping to do this with your cooperation, but we can do it this way as well.
When they first entered to initiate their search for important evidence in their vehicular homicide investigation, they noticed something interesting. The front doors locked. You must enter through a side door. After kicking customers out,
You guys are gonna have to leave. I'm sorry.
police began looking for receipts and other financial documents showing what Clasen may have had to drink that night, but found nothing. So they started asking questions.
I will ask you again. Did you only have two customers?
No, I did not have two customers.
Okay, so where is the transactions for the rest of the customers that happened on the first?
I don't keep track of them. I told you they order a drink like this guy did.
So you have no record of who was here?
I don't have no records of who was here.
No records and not much information.
Were you working on Saturday?
I was not working on Saturday.
Okay, who was working on Saturday?
One of the other girls.
Okay, who was the other girls that were working on Saturday?
There were just a couple other employees.
Okay.
So
What are the names?
I don't really want to answer anything because I don't know what it's going to turn into.
So you were not working here Saturday night?
I was here, but I wasn't working, so that's all I have to say on that.
So you wouldn't be able to tell me yes or no whether these two people were here or not?
I'm not going to say, so.
Why not?
I just don't want to say.
Police also spoke with two employees. One was working that night and said she served Clasen drinks.
She's not here.
Police spoke with her on the phone.
Was anybody else serving them or was it just you?
Brad, my boss, probably served them their first run because, like I said, they were there when I got there.
Sure, okay. And then you did the rest?
Yes.
Okay.
Officials asked Brad if he knows Sarah Clasen and her husband.
They've been in here a long time ago.
This place is full of cheers. People know each other.
One officer speculated he felt Clasen's receipts may have been destroyed.
He's destroyed evidence.
He knows who they are.
Well, but not only that, but he has destroyed evidence.
When pressing further, the bar manager appeared to push back.
I feel like he is interfering with our investigation, and I think he needs to leave. Sir, you need to leave. Sir, you need to leave.
I'm just going to sit right here.
You're not going to sit right here. You are going to be obstructing our investigation, and you will be in handcuffs. Do you understand?
We're here on a search warrant.
Hey,
I'll
sir,
sit by the
sir,
door.
You can sit outside the door. We are going to search the premises. Do you understand?
At one point,
Oh, hey, check this out.
officers even searched trash cans in hopes of finding the missing receipts.
It's like puzzle pieces. Man, you ready to put a puzzle together? Yeah.
But they seemed to conclude that was not the paperwork they were looking for.
I'm sure it's in the garbage or it burned it or something.
These receipts hold extra importance in this case, as Moon Palace does not take credit cards, according to one employee.
We do cash only.
Okay.
I can tell you that.
Officers spoke with the other employee about record keeping as well.
They always run a tab.
Tab. Okay, so they had a tab on Saturday. Did you fill the tab out?
Yeah.
Officials expanded their search to include receipts for the months leading up to the crash. They found about 40 tabs for the Clasens dated from December through the end of February. They say the records show the Clasens being at Moon Palace often several days of the week, as they highlighted here, but still no bar records showing they were there on that fateful day. However, police say they were there, as surveillance video appears to show Clasen arriving at 3:24, staying for about 4 hours, then leaving at 7:26. She then picked up a pizza, according to this surveillance video, and minutes later crashed. Police also spoke with a person they say Clasen and her husband were drinking with that night. She identifies herself as Clasen's best friend.
She only had one drink while I was with her.
Was there anybody else at your guys' table?
No.
Other than, it was just the three of you guys?
Yes.
Officials went back to Moon Palace the next month to return some items. This time, they say the manager seemed to be of a different demeanor when discussing missing receipts.
I didn't destroy anything. I heard the side of the story. I don't have a statement. It's not going to end well no matter what. I mean, the way the news is, it's already decided, so.
So either you have the opportunity to make a statement or people are going to come to their own conclusions. So you have control over the narrative in that regard. So it's up to you.
That's fine.
These missing receipts could carry importance in not only the criminal case against Clasen, but also the civil suit where Moon Palace is named. We reached out to Moon Palace and their attorney about this report, but did not hear back. We also reached out to the Washington State Liquor and Cannabis Board. Documents we received show no violations for Moon Palace in the last 5 years. Wendy Redman, Apple Valley News Now, investigates.
We want to stress again that Bradley Wu, manager of Moon Palace, has not been charged with a crime concerning this case as of this date. He has been named as a defendant in a civil lawsuit brought by Sanchez's family for their son's death.